Welcome to Charts Today. My name's David Linton, and today's edition for Friday, the 31st of December, New Year's Eve, comes to you from Fuerteventura in Spain, where I'm getting some winter sun. And markets are partially open today, a lot of half days across the world. So we're looking just at last view of the market. Quite a mixed picture, but of course, generally quite quiet. The US dollar sitting flat on the short-term chart. Remember, this is the weekly, daily, and 60-minute chart. This is the short-term, medium-term, and long-term view of the market. The dollar looking strong for 2022. That's very much our call for the year. Euro sitting at 113, falling against that weaker dollar, so that's quite key. And if we look at sterling, we're sitting at 135 against the dollar, so looking a bit stronger there this last few days. Against the euro, sterling is looking strong, back above the 119 level. We did make a multi-month high. That would have been a really almost a 2-year high yesterday, intraday. So interesting to see that sterling is just pushing ahead with that strength. Lots of upside targets there. Bitcoin sitting at $48,000, really a bit stuck in the doldrums at the moment, trying to recover there on the short-term chart. Maybe finding some cloud support here, so that would be quite key to watch into 2022. The US market fell away yesterday, and the futures are a little changed today, down slightly. So no big changes there. The VIX volatility sitting steady at around 17. So all in all, markets just taking everything in their stride. And we're seeing here the DAX virtually unchanged today. The CAC Quarante is down slightly. Japan was down slightly. The Hang Seng was actually up. Of course, not close to a holiday there in Hong Kong, and the same in China, up over 1%. So we saw Chinese and Hong Kong markets up quite strongly. India up 1% nearly. So again, a little bit of a showing. It's fair to say the Santa rally didn't really materialize, and we saw the Aussie market down just under 1%. So no Christmas cheer down there. Looking at commodities, just soft commodities, up around 0.5%, sugar up 0.8%, wheat up just over 0.5%, looking strong into 2022. Gold back above the $1,800 level, so that will be cheer for gold bulls, and just nudging that high that we saw on the 28th. We really need to break 1820 now on the short-term chart, but we are holding those bullish charts. And silver also looking like it's recovering as well, back through the cloud. US 10-year yields sitting at 1.5%. That's where we're sort of stuck for the moment. So it'll be interesting to see how we do in the new year. Energy prices generally lower. Today we're seeing Brent crude. It's really stuck in this range of 78 80 range, as is WTI. Coal, we're of course waiting for, we're about to roll into new contract coal, so we start to see quite a lot of that trading going into the new contract. Emissions still stuck in the 70s, which we've been talking about. Gas prices falling further this morning. We were bearish out to clients again today, down another 11%, so just heading lower all the time. And we will explore where the floor is when we come back into the new year for clients. Power markets, little change today. Germany switching off its nukes today, of course, which will ultimately have some impact. But for the moment, we're not seeing a great deal of movement. French power, actually, we're seeing quite a strong move there. But of course, we are at rollover now. And it will all be about next year when we come back on Tuesday, because we'll be closed for the Monday New Year's holiday. So that's it for today, and indeed for 2021. And we look forward to seeing you in the new year, and have a very fun New Year's Eve, and look forward to seeing you next week. Bye for now.